Hey Internet, today's topic is fillets and chamfers. So I just got a block and a cylinder. We'll just add some fillets. So I'm just choosing this fillet type. So if I press Control and left click and the edge, and we'll do a corner as well. So these are these are just some of the fillets. So you got an inner fillet, you got an outer fillet, and you got a corner radius as well. So that's fillets, chamfer. I'll do one on this side so it's clear. And you can also overlap chamfers with fillets as well. Once again, I just hold Control and left click. So as you can see, that's just a nice flat 45-degree chamfer. And over here, it does overlap with fillets and your rounded corner as well. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, and comment if you got any questions. Until next time, see ya.